Hello! Good afternoon to everyone. Inaalay ko po sa inyo ang The Past para po sa mga friends ko sa Facebook, sa mga OFW na katulad ko, lalo na po sa mga relatives ko sa Pilipinas, and lalo-lalo na po sa mga kids ko. I love you kids and I miss you so much. I was wrong when I hurt you, but did you have to hurt me too? Did you think rebel will make it better? I don't care about the past, I just want our love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you, you must forgive me too. If why not to try to put things back the way they used to be? Course there's no sense I'm going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. Out of all the good we had, you only kept track of the bad. Thought you know I never really loved her. Didn't want to tell you yet that forget is to forget. How you can be mad if don't remember. I must forgive you, you must forgive me too. If why not to try to put things back the way they used to be? Cause there no sense I'm going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that's left that we haven't tried to do. One thing I'm sure we'll guard that we haven't tried before. Let's not bring the past back anymore. Thank you very much po. I love you guys. Sana magustuhan nyo kahit nasintonado ang boses ko. God bless you again. Happy Sunday.